Right, I'm doing a review on my microwave. This is obviously grey, but you can get it in blue, black or red. It's by Hobbs, and it's got this wood effect handle and wood effect knobs. If you want a basic microwave, this is the one you want. It's a compact 700 watt microwave with a 17 litre internal volume. Fits a 26.5 centimetre round plate. Wood effect handle and dials. Like I said, for a Scandinavian inspired finish. And then I had a £50 wine voucher. Manual book. This is the model number RHMM713. And then the plate. So I'll show you inside. So you got this with the 3 wheels on. Pop it in there. Simple enough. Your glass dish. And it just clicks in there. And there you go. That's the inside. And I think there's enough gap between the microwave and the cupboard. It is basic, what I call a basic microwave, but I do like the wood effect, the handle and the knobs. Then on the knobs, you've got low, defrost medium low, medium, medium high, high. If you can see them. And then down here, you've just got your timer all the way round to 36 minutes. So, yeah. Also, to cook for less than 2 minutes, turn the timer dial past 2 minutes and then return it to the time required. And that says on there, important note. So I'll tell you that as well. But yeah, it's really nice. I went for the grey. This is from Curry's and it was on sale for £79.99. So we'll see what it sounds like. There you go. I just put some tomato soup in for my lunch. So we'll see now what it sounds like. If I'm going to plug it in this one. There you go. There you go. And that's the Hobbs. And it's a Scandi compact grey manual microwave. Which will, you know, it's easy to use. And it would do me for what I need it for. I usually just use the defrost and warm stuff up. Sometimes I'll cook something in there. There you go. You can see the steam coming off there. And that was less than a minute. I'm just going to give it a little bit more because I like it nice and hot. Then you've got the manual which is your Russell Hobbs appliance comes with a 1-year manufacturer's parts and labour guarantee as standard. No registration required. So you got that's your year guarantee. And then your manual, which is easy enough to use. Gives you all the safety instructions, and of course do not obstruct the ventilation from the microwave, so it will be brought forward. But I think height wise it's fine where it is. It gives you cooking tips, how to use a microwave, problem solving. It's your basic manual you get, and of course your connection to the main supply. So we'll check that. Let's give it a stir and see if it's done. But yeah. Oh. But like I said, it is just a basic, easy to use microwave, which is what I wanted. And for the price, I don't think that's bad at all. I've bought cheaper microwaves before now, and they've never lasted long. So I thought I'll go for a more well-known brand and pay that little bit extra. So yeah, and I thought it's got enough ventilation at the back. So that is the Russell Hobbs microwave.